Hey, I heard you guys were working on a hoverboard out here. Can I try it? No, Olaf, because you can only use 2 feet, and I see how you are on 4 feet. Aw. Any delicious goodies out here? Yep. I'll just clean up the leaves for you then. Alright, you do that, Olaf. I want it nice and manicured out here, okay? Alright, get it nice and good. Okay, so here we are out at the cabin with Danny's hoverboard. And unfortunately, this piece right here,
which you plug the charger into to charge it,
has come out and it broke the wires, so we can't charge it. And what I'm thinking happened is there's a nut that goes in the back here that holds this in place. I'm thinking it wasn't on there too good to begin with, and just from all the moving around and everything, it just came off. And then from the kids plugging it in and taking it out, it just ended up snapping it. So we're going to open it up and take a look and go from there. Take out that one out. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more to take out. Let's take those out. Alright, so there's the 2 wires, and just as I thought, look at, there's the nut, and more than likely just from bouncing around, riding and everything, it just wasn't on there tight enough, and that's why it came off. So now when we put it all back together, where's that piece, Danny? Yep. See, now when we put everything back together, we'll get that on there and we'll tighten that all the way up, make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't come off again. Alright, so if you're wondering what the inside of a hoverboard looks like, at least this is the one side with the motor and everything. So alright, let's go ahead and get this sucker back together, get it fixed, and get it working so this guy can use his hoverboard. Okay, so what we have to do is, because there's no markings on here that we could see where it says ground or power, we're going to have to take, luckily we got his sisters, we're going to take this apart to see where it goes with the red and black on here, because it's only numbered, it only has 1, 3, and 2 on here. So we're going to open this up and we're going to see where the red goes and where the negative, where positive and negative goes. No, here, Danny. So you gotta take apart the same side. Which side? This side. Yep.
Perfect.
So the number 1 there, that's your red wire. So that's your ground, or that's your positive. That's going to go right there. Okay, there we go.
Wait, was that Emily's first time walking? Guys? She was over?
So we got that all soldered back together, and we had put the heat shrink on it, so it's all covered up. And now we're gonna get everything back together, and we're actually gonna super glue after we tighten up the bolt that, or the nut that came off. We're also gonna, because we saw in Jesse's hoverboard that there was glue all through here, so we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on Danny's, and he shouldn't have any issues with this from now on. This is gonna be done all nice and tight and together, and shouldn't come apart again. So, all right, let's do that. see if it's working.
Oh, it does because it's upside down.
Yeah, okay.
So it turns on. It's just upside down, so it starts beeping like crazy.
Okay. All right. So that's a good sign. Now we just got to let everything dry. We got we reinforced it with hot glue. So those nuts shouldn't spin off by themselves like the last one did. And we loaded it up really good. So, and also that little computer chip board only had one spot of glue on the one side, and that was hanging, so I did all 4 sides. So this board should be a lot better now since we went ahead and soldered it and reinforced it, and hopefully it works, and we'll find out here in a little bit. So we'll let it dry, and then this guy is gonna take it for a ride, take it for a test spin, and then go from there. So all right, so the glue is dried, and we can go ahead and start putting it back together.
Perfect.
All right, and there we go. There's the plug for it. So now alright, so now it's plugged in. Plug comes out. It's there. There we go. It's working. Alright. So whoa. I'm not very good at this. Whoa. And Danny doesn't know I'm on it right now. He'll see it in the video. Whoa. Alright. So let's turn it off. Charging, and have Danny try it, and he'll let me know if anything's wrong with it. Okay, we're gonna see if we really fixed it. Here's the test drive. Oh, he's already off of it. Oh, he's saying there's a rock. All right, go ahead, try it out. All right, so what do you think, dude? Do you think it's fixed?
Yes.
Okay. All right. All right, so there we go. So it's all fixed, it's all set. Now I can ride, and make sure to like, subscribe, and also check out Danny's channel.
Danny likes trains KP.
And we'll see you on the next one. All right, guys, bye.